Hey, we're here with the public speaking workshop. We've got 22 attendees here right now in our company-wide meeting. Stay with us. Let's hear what they have to say. Let's put them on the spot so they can be better public speakers. It's going to be an unbelievable couple days. We got Tony Merwin. We got Matt Timon. We got the crew here today. All right, stay with me. Okay, stay with me. Come on. Let's go, Steve. Let's go.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning, Steve.
We ready for a great day?
Yes,
I've got a quick question before we get started. Do we love insurance agents?
Yeah.
That was kind of quiet. Do we love insurance agents? Much, much better. We've got a lot of guests in the house. Cody, get us started with some of our guests.
Let's do it, Steve. Okay. Now, this is a packed room today, isn't it? Give yourselves a hand. Come on now. This is awesome. You should have been here. Okay. All right. So we're here for the public speaking workshop. I think we have a total of 22 attendees for the next 2 days, today and tomorrow. We're going to put their public speaking to the test right off the bat, Toby. Okay. So we're going to go around the room. I'm going to try to follow along and see where they're mixed in. And we're going to have each attendee share name, where you're from, and why you're here, right? Like what you're most excited to get the next 2 days, okay? And also, how about this freaking company meeting to kick off the day, by the way? Is this cool or is this cool, by the way? Okay, is this awesome? So, let's see what we got. All right, David, you've been here yesterday, okay?
I was here yesterday, yeah.
Jump in again for me, buddy.
All right, David Billingsley, Michigan, here to 10x my life. Yeah.
There we go. Give it up for David, okay? All right, Brian.
I'm Brian Joyner. I'm from Macon, Mississippi, and I'm here to get better and here to learn.
I love it. Come on, CB. Show out.
Chris Ball from Louisville, Kentucky. I'm with Life Insurance Academy and the advanced team, and I'm here to expand my voice and learn from the best.
Thank you.
My name is Jason Richter. I'm from Louisville, Kentucky. I'm here to learn some technique on talking on stage.
There we go. That's what it's all about. No pressure, Matt. No pressure.
Matt Timon, Springfield, Missouri. I actually got my first paid speaking gig in August, so I got to get ready for that.
Let's go.
Whoa. Actually, and this dude is hosting the workshop with me, the unbelievable, infamous Tony Merwin. This cat is one of the best in the industry at speaking, building relationships, networking. One of my favorite dudes in the world. And I'm excited to co-host with him the next couple of days. So share what you're excited about, buddy. Thank you for hosting this with me, by the way.
I'm pumped to be here because just to make sure everybody's aware, this isn't the last public speaking workshop we're going to do. And then it's just as much a workshop for me as it is for all of y'all. So get excited because once you learn some of the tools in this, maybe you're hosting the next one with Cody. Or the next one. Or the next one. Or the next one.
There we go. All right, DK, jump in there, bro.
Dallas Keithley Secure Insurance Group, here just to learn from the best, learn from Merwin. Whenever they told me to do this job, they said, we want you to be Tony Merwin. So I got to learn from Tony Merwin, right?
That's right. I love it. Okay, thank you, buddy. Patrice.
Hi, my name is Patrice Shepard. I'm here from Frisco, Texas. Really excited to enhance and learn and grow and develop my personal speaking skills.
She's already a good speaker, isn't she? That was already strong, by the way, okay? All right, Kimberly and Rob.
Hello, I'm Kimberly Skinner from, Boise, Idaho, on our way to moving to Florida, so that's a good day, any day. And I'm on a mission to influence tens of thousands, and so I'm here to learn how to increase my influence.
Whoa.
Rob Skinner, I'm hers, and that came because Nick told me he couldn't be my friend if I didn't show up. And for one other reason, I'm so old that all my mentors have either died or they're leaning on a walker. So I had to regress 30 years to find a coach. So anyway, that's why we're here.
Miss PJ Sands.
Hello, I am PJ Douglas Sands, live in Houston, originally from the Bahamas, and I'm here to enhance my speaking skills and be the #1 speaker from the Caribbean.
Yeah.
We want to come see you. That's a good goal. That's awesome. You can tell she's already spoke quite a bit too. That's awesome. Okay. Miss Amy Searcy, welcome.
Thank you. Amy Searcy, I'm from Kansas City, Missouri, and what I am here to do is to learn about every time I open my mouth, I can make a big impact on people.
Man, this is already a go workshop, isn't it? Come on now, okay? Miss Victoria.
Victoria Cabrera from San Antonio, Texas. I'm really here I want to help more agents nationally. So with that, I have to be a bigger voice. So I'm trying to learn how to not get nervous too. So hopefully that'll work.
Hi, good morning. My name is Myra Luna, and I'm from Houston, Texas. And the reason I'm here is because I want to make sure that when I'm speaking, the message that I want to carry forward and make sure that it's listened to is on spot. So that's why I'm here. Thank you.
Love it. Awesome. Okay, awesome. All right, Medicare Wonder Woman.
I'm Rebecca Davis from Stephenville, Texas, also known as the Medicare Wonder Woman, and I'm here to give the women of insurance a bigger voice.
There we go. Okay, I love it. Welcome back.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Emily Trevino from Houston, Texas, and I'm here because I want to be a more effective communicator to a larger group of people.
Brian Thompson from Cedar Rapids, Iowa. I've been down here enough lately, I think I'm on Cody's payroll and living in his basement at this point. But want to improve my public speaking skills. My first goal is to be an 8% presenter. So.
Whoa. Why not?
All right. Speaking of, we are having a contest today. The winner gets 5 minutes on stage at 8% to tell their story.
Okay. Oh! Oh! Hey! Is that cool or is that cool? Hey, did anybody know that, by the way? No, because it was a surprise. But what I love, though, is what just happened is everybody that's watching on camera that thought about being here and didn't show up just missed an opportunity to speak on stage at 8%, okay? So give it up for Tony, because he created that, by the way. Did we miss anybody? Did we miss anybody? Anybody hiding in the bathroom? Okay. Public speaking workshop. You can't do that yet. Okay. All right. Good. Steve, back to you, sir.
Okay. We're going to move quickly. We've got a few things we want to cover. Josh, give us a quick win.
I'll keep it quick. I'm closing on the house next week.
Andy, I want you to share a quick win.
Yesterday, we signed our VIP party sponsor. So.
So today I want to share a couple quick thoughts on something that I think each of us can certainly apply every day, and that's turning weaknesses into strengths. If we look at ourselves, we say, oh, you know something? This over here is not my strongest suit. You know, this is kind of my weakness. But yet at the same time, if we stop and think about it, we can turn those into strengths. Every weakness has a corresponding strength. You just have to take a look at it. I'm going to give you examples on a couple of these. Let's take a person who is unrealistic. You might even say they're crazy. That's a visionary. Okay? Let's take a person who is arrogant. That's their biggest weakness. They're also self-confident. You can turn that into a strength. How about inflexible? Can be purposeful. Childish can be playful. Inconsistent as a weakness can be flexible as a strength. Stubborn as a weakness can be determined as a strength. Talkative as a weakness can be expressive as a strength. You can take a look at your own lives and turn these things into them. I want to share a quick story about a guy named Mikey who turned his weakness into a strength. You see, Mikey, as a young boy, he had ADHD. And as many of you know, it's really hard to focus on anything. He didn't do well in school. He got through it. It was a struggle. Just had a huge time focusing on things. One thing that most people do not know, though, people with ADHD, if there's something they're really passionate about, they have the ability to focus, to literally hyper-focus on this one thing. They can't really pay attention to any of this over here because all of these distractions, but this one thing, they can absolutely hyper-focus. Mikey likes sports. He likes sports a lot. And actually, he started focusing on his sports. He got a little bit better. He focused even harder and harder. You might know Mikey. His full name is Michael Phelps, the greatest Olympian of all time, 18 Olympic medals, 15 of them gold. He turned his weakness into a strength. Today, that's my challenge for you. Let's get out there and do it.
Is this the way you're kicking off your day? You had a chance to be here at the public speaking workshop, a chance to win 5 minutes on stage at 8% in front of over 1,000 people. The opportunity was available. Did you show up? Did you miss it? Today, I want you to think about, are you showing up? Or are you missing it? This is the way you should be kicking off your day every single day. I want you to listen to this real quick. 3.5 years ago, I had 0 staff. Today, you see the results.
Hey, if you enjoyed this, I got another one you're gonna love. It's right there. Click on it. See you in there.
This is like the one sales tip that could just totally change the game in some agent's life. I want to go a couple more minutes. I know you have 20 agents currently, 21 with manager. You have they're averaging 1.4